Hello everyone, and welcome to our continued coverage of the Holy Father's journey. I'm Sister Helen Kasaka, and this is the Pilgrim's Path. We are following Pope Leo XIV as he travels from the mining centers of Angola to his final destination in Equatorial Guinea. Throughout these days, he has shared a powerful message that a nation's true wealth isn't found in the resources under the ground, but in how we care for one another.
Sé que han emprendido el imponente proyecto de construir una ciudad que desde hace unos meses es la nueva capital de su país. Han querido darle un nombre en el que parece resonar el de la Jerusalén bíblica.
On Monday in Sarimo, a city known for its diamond industry, the Holy Father chose to focus on a different kind of treasure. He spent time visiting a nursing home for the elderly, a simple but beautiful moment of companionship. Later, he joined a massive crowd for Mass, where he spoke about what it truly means to follow Jesus. He reminded us that our faith isn't just about looking for miracles. It's about living with the same kindness and honesty that Jesus showed.
Madam Director, dear brothers and sisters, peace to this house and to all who live here. I warmly thank you for your faith-filled welcome, which touched my heart. Thank you. It is a great comfort to me as I carry out my mission. It struck me to learn that you call this place Lar, which means home. I thank God for this, and I hope that all of you are truly able to live here in a family atmosphere as much as possible.
The journey then moved to Malabo, the capital of Equatorial Guinea, on Tuesday morning. This is a historic moment for the country, as it has been over 40 years since a Pope last visited these shores. In his meetings with government leaders and diplomats, the Holy Father spoke clearly about the importance of fairness. He shared his hope that the country's growth would benefit everyone, especially those who are struggling.
Llamamiento del Papa Francisco, que hace justo un año dejaba este mundo.
During this leg of the trip, the Holy Father also took a quiet moment to remember Pope Francis, who passed away exactly 1 year ago. He praised his predecessor for always looking out for people on the peripheries of society, the very people Pope Leo is visiting right now across Africa.
Tante volte quello che ha fatto, vivendo veramente la vicinanza ai più poveri, a quelli più piccoli, ai malati, ai bambini, agli anziani. Ha lasciato tanto una chiesa con la sua testimonianza e la sua parola.
From the bustling streets of Luanda to the quiet chapels of Malabo, the message remains the same. We are all one family. Thank you to the Voice Africa Catholic News team and to our editor Chike Obona for his dedication on these visuals. For Voice Africa Catholic, I'm Sister Helen Kasaka. Thank you for being part of the journey. Let's keep walking together on the Pilgrim's Path.